Hey there, Techi enthusiasts! Welcome back to Techi, and today we're diving into a topic that can help you regain control over your Windows updates. We'll be exploring how to disable Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer service. These steps can be really handy when you want more control over your system's updating process. So, let's jump right in. Before we get started, let's quickly talk about why you might want to disable Windows Update in bits. While updates are essential for security and performance, there are times when you might need more control over when these updates occur. Now, let's see how to do it. Here's how you can disable Windows Update. Open the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services from the search results to open the Services app. Scroll down and find Windows Update in the list. Double-click on Windows Update to open its properties. In the Startup Type dropdown, select Disabled. Click Apply, and then OK to confirm your changes. Now, let's disable the Background Intelligent Transfer service. Go back to the Services app. Scroll down to find Background Intelligent Transfer service. Double-click on Background Intelligent Transfer services to open its properties. In the Startup Type dropdown, select Disabled. Click Apply, and then OK to confirm your changes. Before you proceed, a quick reminder. Disabling these services can have an impact on your system's performance and security. Make sure you're comfortable with the implications and remember to periodically check for updates manually. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer service. Remember, while it's good to have control, staying up to date is important for your system's well-being. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech-related content. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this information empowers you to make informed decisions about your system updates. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy tinkering.